are out here, so we're having some track issues. The track is unprepped. We're testing out these new tires. We got a clean pass, ran a Mustang 5.0 that runs like low 8s. We gave him a little bit of a head start and then got on the gas easy. So 6.5 at 93. We're running Graphenes this time. Just, you know, between the cold and the track not being prepped and these new tires, obviously leaving a lot on the table, but I think these have potential, so we're gonna find out. Motor Toys.